Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, let's open the Snapchat app on our mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. After that, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner again. Then simply scroll down till you find My Data option available there. After you find My Data, tap on it. Now, within your data, you will find various options available for recovery. Ensure to select the specific data you wish to recover and then proceed by tapping on the next icon. Snapchat will then send your data as a zip file to your email address. Make sure your email provided to Snapchat is up to date and then patiently wait for the email containing all your recovered data. Then simply click on the next icon and submit all your data. While it may take some time, rest assured that Snapchat will eventually send you an email with recovered data enclosed. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.